Okay, so I'm going to show you how to step forward or jump forward. So just watch me. So from down dog. Okay, so if you're going to step forward, then lift your head, look where you want to land. So between the hands or just behind the hands. Okay. Then bring your shoulders forward, lift your bottom. So you come on the tiptoes. So shoulders forward, then big step. Okay, it's seemingly easy, but I think some people find it quite tricky. So bring the other leg in, come up, and arms down. Or you can try to jump forward. So from down dog, again, look where you want to land. Bend the knees. So people forget to bend the knees. Bend the knees first. Look where you want to land. Then you just have to take off. Okay, so when you take off, try to think about shifting your weight from your legs to the hand. Okay, so mentally shift your weight first, then jump forward. Okay, so whichever you want to do. Okay, once more, feet together. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, down. Okay, inhale, head and chest up. Hands on the floor, step back or jump back. High plank. Then come down to chaturanga or crocodile, legs and hip off. Up dog, put the front of the feet on the floor, shoulders back, look up. Down dog. Okay, so hands shoulder with feet hip width, they are parallel to each other. Keep pushing your tailbone up. Keep pulling the heels to the floor. They don't have to touch the floor, but pull towards the floor. You can keep the knees bent if you want. Okay. Now we step or jump forward. So firstly, look where you want to land. Then, if you're stepping forward, bring the shoulders forward. Come to the tiptoes and step or jump. Legs straight, head up. Exhale, head down. Come up. Look hands. Hands in prayer.